Hi everyone, I'm Max. Today I'm going to show you BriefMax, the all-in-one intelligence platform that lets you summarize any YouTube video in seconds. It's completely free to get started and super easy. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Find the YouTube video you want to summarize. Once you have it, copy the video's URL from your browser. Step 2. Head over to briefmax.ai and click on the YouTube tab. Paste your video URL right into the input box. Now, click the Summarize Video button, and just like that, BriefMax is pulling the transcript and analyzing the content. And there you have it. Your summary is ready. BriefMax organizes everything into a document overview with the video title and creator, key sections breaking down the main topics, and key takeaways highlighting what matters most. You can also access the full video transcript right here. Just click the transcript tab to view it and copy it if you need it for notes or reference. Need to save or share your summary? BriefMax has you covered. You can download it as a PDF, export to Word or PowerPoint, or even generate flashcards and quizzes for studying. Just click the export buttons right here. That's it, folks. BriefMax is the fastest way to turn YouTube videos into structured knowledge. Give it a try today at briefmax.ai. It's free to start. See you next time.